disassembly and installation of the front fork. Remove the front caliper mounting bolts. Loosen the front wheel nuts and remove the front wheel. Be careful not to remove the nuts to avoid losing the washers. Remove the screws at the front light bracket. Disconnect the front light wiring. Remove the front light. First, remove the stem top cap bolt, then loosen the bolts on both sides. Remove the spacer. Loosen the screws on the upper front shock mounting plate. Remove the spacer. Remove the spacer. Remove the front fork from the frame. Remove the ball bearing and the ball bearing spacer. Remove the front fork protector. Prepare the front fork installation components. Install the protector block. First, install the bearing spacer. Then, install the ball bearing. Make sure to pay attention to the orientation. Place the flat side down. Install the front fork onto the frame. Install the conical axle tube spacer, compress it, and ensure the axle tube is centered. Install the compression washer. Install the front light, secure the fastening clamp, and tighten the fixing screws. First, route the wiring harness through the fork. Then attach the compression plate and press it firmly into place. Tighten the mounting screws. Install the washers first, then install the stem. Adjust the handlebars to be parallel with the front fork. Tighten the stem base tube mounting screw. Tighten the stem bolts on both sides. Install the front wheel, paying attention to the position of the front wheel anti-drop hook. First, tighten the brake caliper mounting bracket bolts. Connect the front light cable.